install cabinet C. Mark the points to be drilled. Check the correct points. Drill holes with an impact drill. Secure back clip with expansion screws. Install the hook on the cabinet. Hang cabinet onto back clip. Next, calibrate the cabinet with a level. Adjust the cabinet's level using the 4 feet at the bottom. Keep the bubble centered. Now prepare to install cabinet A. Place cabinet A in front of cabinet C and ensure both cabinets are at the same horizontal level. Secure the device AC with mounting bracket. Tighten with nuts. Unscrew the screws and remove CS panels. Connect one end to A. Pass the other end through the bottom of the cabinet. Connect to C.